Good morning, everyone. It's a rainy Sunday here, but we're not gonna let the weather keep us at home. We decided to head out for breakfast, and of course, we're going to one of our favorite spots, Cora Breakfast and Lunch. Cora has always been our go to breakfast place.
And I'll be right back with the white toast for the eggs. Besides that, did we need anything else?
No, we're good. Thank
Looks
you.
okay.
Thank you very much.
We love coming here because the staff are always so friendly and welcoming, the portions are generous, and the food never disappoints. It's the perfect way to start a relaxing Sunday. That's it for today. Enjoy watching the rest of the video. Bye! And oh, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!